All right. So today is January 29th, Thursday, 2026. Microsoft, Meta, Tesla all had earnings last night. Let me add this settlement price real quickly and then see what the how prices moved. All right. Settlement price. Okay, so price in a sense supposed to have settled here. So I'm looking at the right thing. Wednesday, yeah, 7-0. Most volume, yeah, yeah, yeah. So it's supposed to have settled here. All right, yeah, right there. Price did something, right? So go to the 1 minute time frame for that earning report. All right, so price settled right about here, dropped down, hit last settlement price in below 15 minute, probably took all the stops out and then slowly moved back up. That sucks. All right, so it did that. All right, let's look at Microsoft. As far as the 5 minute goes. So Microsoft took a nosedive. So Microsoft dropped about 30 points, 40 points. I thought it was a lot more. 40 points. All right. So that's Microsoft. Meta moved up. Of course, they did the opposite. Meta moved up. Tesla moved up. Just LRCX. That's not LMT. Okay. Um, let's look at the S&P 500. Um, that's what I'm looking for. So Microsoft test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Which matter meta's down here. Okay. This is what I'm looking for. To see if it's still what's still up, what's still in the Tesla's way down there and meta's way down there. Okay. 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 So that's that. All right. So that's all I already got. Look like sideways movement. really. Tell you the truth, doesn't look like giving me much information. Looks like more sideways movement than anything. All right, so back to this. So what can I work with? Looking at this right here, this area here, right? 4 hours. We zoom out, we can see that this is more of a support level than anything, right? But we have this nice little volume right here. Where does this even fall into? Right. Definitely a lot of selling right there. You can see here. May have to bring up the higher point of that because price did kind of like go past it. But looking at all of my charts, maybe the 30-minute time frame is the one that's holding the keys here. So I'm gonna go with the 30-minute time frame. Yeah, it might be the 30-minute time frame. Okay. May still want to see price come up this high based off of what we can see. Right about here, right? Probably where we want price to be. And that's all pretty much it for that. Yeah, we're in the 4 hour, but the 4 hour one is weird. So I'm going to remove this 4 hour line for now because price really just chopping around it, right? Not really giving me a clear sign. So we'll see how price reacts here. Probably get a nice pullback. If this price kills a little bit, we'll see price pull back and then continue lower down towards this 15-minute aggregated area here. That's where I would like to take this trade. About 29 points, about 25 points, right? Got a high. Our low would be right here. Right, kind of like the FOMC low, kind of like destroyed that, so that's gone. Do we have any news coming out? $8:30 news came out, and then Trump speaks after the market closes. So 8:30 news. So let's make this let's see. Up one. Oh, 8:30. Let's see how price reacted. Alright, so looking like I want to be short. Alright, price came back up to this area here to reject. So let's see if we get some volume to help with that. Okay, I think I'm done. Yeah. Alright, let's go to NQ. So NQ kind of got the same thing going on like ES is doing. Really bounce off of that previous level. Right, bounce off of that previous level. Right, bound. Right, very nicely, kind of repeating the same thing. Maybe a level right here, maybe from back here. Do I have anything? I don't have anything that's going this far back. Right, don't really have anything really there to support it. But we do have this bad boy here that seemed to have stop price from moving forward, and look at that, it ends up being an absorption area without me having to look at this one. I was over here looking at here, so now I saw it. Alright, so we got that absorption level. That's holding price. Alright, so we'll see if that can work out nicely. We're gonna add the highs and the low. Just gonna grab that. And let's add the low. Bam. And that might be it for that. Oh, settlement price. Bam. Alright. And settlement price, we're chopping around it. So that's that. So I want to see price go up and fail. This come down and go up. Alright, so that's that. Let's go to VIX. Let's add the low and the high. This is the high. We got our low. Alright. And then yeah. It's crazy. Alright, so that's pretty much it. So bounce, I want to see price go towards this. Now we'll see ES and VIX go down. ES and NQ go down. That's it for me. Market opens up in less than 9 minutes. All the news that's supposed to come out has came out already. For us a trading session, I'll be done by 12. Already checked these out. That's about it. How does ADP do? Let's zoom out. Wider. Wow, this thing has been really just going up. Damn. This is probably a good time to buy some. Tell you the truth. $250. Probably a good time to buy some. Look how it had that. Came up, came back down, and then bounced nicely. So looking for a nice hammer candle on the week probably. And the price just went. Strong volume down and the price just went. Let's look at a daily. Got a nice one here too. Dang it. Come on, fingers. Show a lot more. Alright, so this one came and bought up. Can't see all the damn earning things down there. Let's make this larger. Alright, so yeah, so retested it. Bam. Push. Came back down. Push up. Now we're coming back to this. Yeah, we'd like to see price really like dig into it. 240. And then aiming for 300, which is about a good amount. How long did it take? About a year. This one, retest, about a year, and then this was probably less. Came back down again. We'll be aiming for this, so about a year and a half, right? While you're earning the earnings, the dividends. This is ADP is probably a good one to look into. I'll look into ADP stock. ADP, it's in the game. EA Sports. All right, so that's pretty much it. Holla at you later. Nasdaq will have earnings. Oh, that's big. Yeah. NDAQ. Let's do the week. Yeah, that boy has been going. Damn. No coming back. 2002. Just the beginning. That's where Trump came in. Boom, right? And it's been going up. Now's a good time to buy stock. He wasn't fucking lying. Shit. Shit has just been fucking going up the entire time. And there we go. We hit my target. It really hurts that I saw this happening. I'm just like, I wanted to get in here. And then price couldn't give me what I wanted to enter. Gone. Alright, anyways. That's that. It is what it is. We are where we are. We try to make the best of what we at. And let's prepare for the next ride. Alright, so 30-minute time frame is what I'm looking for. I'm looking for a retest up here when the market opens. Retest around this area to go short. Alright, I'm out. Adios.